Honey, the ancient sweetener, has been buzzing around for centuries, but is it the superfood it's claimed to be? Let's dive into the sticky truth behind this golden liquid and its supposed health benefits. You might be surprised to learn that honey has been a part of human history for thousands of years. The Egyptians and Greeks used it for more than just sweetening their tea. They believed it had medicinal properties, even for treating burns. But here's the catch. The father of medicine, Hippocrates, also advocated for honey's use in some pretty questionable ways, like contraception and curing baldness. Talk about a sticky situation. Fast forward to today, and honey is hailed as a superfood with a long list of benefits. It's touted as a cough remedy, an antioxidant, an anti-inflammatory, and even a potential weapon against superbugs. But, as with many health claims, we need to separate fact from fiction. A column called Antiviral has already debunked the idea that honey helps with hay fever, showing that raw honey doesn't significantly reduce allergic rhinitis symptoms. So, what's the deal with honey's supposed healing powers? Well, it's mostly sugar, about 80%. That's a lot of sugar, and it's why honey doesn't spoil easily. But it's not just sugar. Honey also contains antimicrobial compounds like hydrogen peroxide, which is used as a disinfectant. Fascinatingly, a study found that Australian honey samples retained antimicrobial properties even after 15 to 17 years. Talk about a shelf-stable superhero. Now, let's talk about Manuka honey, the supposed superstar of the honey world. It contains a unique compound called methylglyoxal, which has antibacterial properties. But here's the thing, honey is a complex mixture, and these individual components might not be as effective alone. As Dr. Fernandez points out, it's the synergy of these compounds that makes honey potentially useful as a topical treatment. Honey's potential as a wound healer is intriguing, but it's not widely used in healthcare. Some studies suggest it might be better than conventional antiseptics, but these studies aren't considered high quality. And while honey has antimicrobial properties, it's not an antibiotic. It doesn't work internally like a drug, and raw honey can even contain bacterial spores, including those that cause botulism. So, it's not something you'd want to ingest as a cure-all. Interestingly, research suggests that honey might have benefits for the gut microbiome due to its prebiotic compounds. But with its high sugar content, it's not exactly a go-to-gut health product. And when it comes to coughs and sleep, honey might offer some relief, but these studies come with caveats, as pointed out by Professor Claire Collins. In my opinion, honey is a fascinating natural product with some proven benefits, but it's not the magical cure-all it's sometimes made out to be. The key is understanding its strengths and limitations. While it might not be the solution to the antibiotic resistance crisis, it has a unique place in the world of natural remedies and deserves further study. So, the next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, remember, it's more than just a sweet treat. It's a complex natural wonder with a story to tell.